Simplify the expression below, assuming x is positive. Which of the following is equivalent to this expression? Okay, so I've got a fraction with a square root on the top and a square root on the bottom. I can make that one big square root and simplify what's inside. 96x to the fourth over 4x. Okay, so 96 over 4, um, I can either do a long division over on the side, right? Go like this. Or I can divide 96 in half twice. So half of 96 would be 45 plus 3, 48, and half of 48 is 24. So this is 24 x to the fourth over x to the first is x cubed. Okay, and then I'm going to break 24 and x cubed into factors, one of which is a perfect square. So for 24, 4 is a perfect square. I can rewrite that as 4 times 6. And for x cubed, I can rewrite that as x squared times x. And then I can take the square root of each piece separately. So this is square root 4 times square root 6 times square root x squared times square root x. So this is 2 times x times root 6x. 2x root 6x, which is option D.